Alright, welcome to the show. Sam YG, Tony, Slick Rick. Boys Night Out doing Boy Busters. There's this myth that if you put you leave your car keys at home and you call the person at home and he puts it right to the speakerphone, it's going to transmit the signal and you'll be able to open your car. So you know what, we're going to go downstairs and see if we'll be able to open my car. Let's do it.
Alright, Tony, you ready?
I'm ready. I don't think it's going to work.
You have the key?
Look at this. Poser. He doesn't even drive an Audi. He drives a Porsche. I just changed it.
Okay, now we're downstairs. We're here in the basement. We'll try to figure out, see if this whole thing works. I'm kind of iffy about it, but you never know. It could work.
Alright, we're just waiting for Tony's call. Car is ready. We're going to see if by the phone we're going to be able to open my car.
Okay. Car. Lock. We already made sure that the car is locked, so it's locked, and yeah.
And the keys are supposed to be with you, yeah? Alright, I got my cell phone against the door, and anytime you're ready. Go. Nothing's happening.
Maybe you should point it at the door.
I'm trying to point it at the door. Try one more time.
Let's take the X5!
No, it's not opening. Over here. Yeah? Alright, let's do it one more time. Nope. Still not there. So the answer is officially busted.
Wait!
Busted.
I think it just opened the magic cherry van. Oh look, so it's okay. I think we can get in the cherry van.
Let's see.
Oh no, we can't. Try it one more time.
Check this out. We're standing right beside a nice silver Honda. I don't know, but this Honda is pretty sick.
Check out the ribs.
Sick na parang may sakit. Tapos naka-suspicious na plate number.
Wait, try his car. Try his car.
Oh yeah, try your car, Tony. I'm standing right beside your car. Why don't you try your car? Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, the light's flashing now.
No, nothing's happening. Yeah, no, not the headlights. The alarm light. It's supposed to flash. Oh, you idiot. Alright. We're gonna head back.
There you go. It doesn't work. It's busted. 0. So, you know what? Don't even try it at home. Unless you probably need a line of sight. What do you think went wrong?
We tried it on 2 cars. Nothing worked, so I think busted.
Oh well.
Busted, baby!